compromising your security. This feature is especially useful during the day when you might want fresh air but still want to feel secure. Overall, the 12-pack wireless security window door alarm offers excellent value for money. It's a reliable, easy-to-use, and versatile security solution that will give you peace of mind. With its loud alarm and magnetic sensor, you can rest assured that your home or office is well protected. This product is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their security without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.